Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of incredible Blender add-ons that will take your 3D projects to the next level. So let's get started. First on the list is the all-new Physical Atmosphere 2. With this version 2, you can create physically accurate skies in a matter of clicks. You can even fly out into the space, and the light scattering looks realistic. Volumetric clouds that render in real time. Highly customizable in 4 procedural cloud layers. Just move a slider, watch them add life into your scenes. Controls that make complex skies feel effortless to shape. And the best part? You can set positions that matches reality. Just set date, time, and location for exact positions for sun and moon. And all this I just mentioned is just the tip of the iceberg. Be sure to subscribe because I have a dedicated video coming soon. And by the way, if you already own the physical star light and atmosphere, you can get 70% discount on it. Next up is Ocean Painter. It is a professional, layered water pipeline that brings real water and real caustics into Blender. It unites 3 sources of water detail, photo-scanned real surfaces, simulated waves, and procedural ocean, into a single art-directable system, composited in the height domain and finished with physically grounded caustics and foam. It is in active development and available now as early access at a reduced price. By the way, make sure to check out his Real Water Caustics generator. Gives realistic results in real time. Forge is the best CAD modeling add-on ever created for Blender. Model hard surface shapes with mathematical accuracy. With the ability to create complex designs, Forge doesn't just sit on top of Blender. There is a fully dedicated workspace. Just like Edit Mode, enter Forge Mode to access a unified CAD environment seamlessly embedded inside your 3D viewport. Let's talk about a few of its features. Instantly generate hollow or solid tubes along any sketch trajectory. Define precise engineering profiles and complex hard surface boundaries. Draw smooth, continuous curves to guide your lofts and sweeps. Live cuts, unions, and intersections with a real-time ghost preview. Mathematically flawless surface blends and precise angled bevels that standard polygons simply cannot produce. Remove excess sketch lines or overlapping body geometry with pinpoint accuracy. Reflect sketches and solid bodies across any axis. Flawlessly import and export STEP, IGS, and BREP directly from your Blender viewport. When your CAD design is ready, instantly convert it into Blender Mesh. You don't even have to worry about topology because it makes nice and clean animation-ready mesh. Forge V1 is just the beginning. You can check the roadmap at the bottom of the page. Polydome. It is the ultimate HDRI dome plugin for Blender. This add-on is amazing, and I will tell you why. It allows you to add seamless floor matching, reflections, and procedural puddles for next-level realism. And this add-on works seamlessly with Polyheaven add-on. And the best thing is that it also offers box dome for indoor HDRI projection. For example, for rooms or anything that can be used with it, along with HDRI color adjustment controls on the fly. So if you are struggling with manually adding and projecting HDRIs, then this add-on is for you. Snapshot Addon. This add-on is a game changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With one click, you create a snapshot, basically a save point for your scene. Snapshots lets you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's like having a super-powered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, snapshots completely frees you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you need this. Link in the description. Go check it out. Adaptive Auto Skinning. This add-on automatic skins whole characters. If we do it manually, it takes hours of weight painting for full character or a fight with automatic weights. Adaptive Auto Skinning binds the whole rig, body plus clothing, in one click, with every vertex weighted. It is volumetric skinning reinvented for fingers and tight zones. The grid stays coarse through the body and refines exactly where 2 surfaces almost touch. Dovetail Key. So if you are someone who does 3D printing a lot, then Dovetail Key is a must-have add-on. Just draw a line across any model. It splits into printable parts joined by a strong, self-locking joints. In 2 clicks, no manual booleans, no crashing on heavy sculpts. You can adjust the size, height, and depth of the key live until the fit is exactly right for your print. Now I will share with you my favorite add-ons. We have Lightweaver. Lightweaver allows you to create cinematic color grading directly in Blender. No Yexar, no Nuke, no Photoshop. And the kind of color grading this add-on does is on a next level and looks amazing. You can make your scenes look like they came straight from Hollywood. Lightweaver is designed for Blender users who want precise control over color and lighting, without leaving the software they know. Bioform, a fully procedural biological material library for artists who need biology that holds up under a close render. Materials that are fully procedural, resolution-independent, and grounded in how tissue really looks. Nothing to unwrap, nothing to rebake. Just controls you turn until it's right. Bioform is what I reach for now. I hope it saves you the fight of weeks of research. When working with heavy scenes, performance often takes a hit. That's where Scene Boost comes in. This tool automates the process of creating proxies and LODs, levels of detail. Essentially, it builds low-resolution versions of your meshes and textures and dynamically swaps them based on your workflow. So while you're navigating the viewport, you see lightweight assets, but when it's time to render, the full-quality versions are loaded automatically. You can configure exactly what gets optimized, meshes, textures, or both, and even exclude certain elements to retain full control. It can significantly improve your workflow and allows you to realize projects that weren't possible before due to hardware limitations. VicCube also have add-on for quick hair simulation and aged effects for making your scenes look abandoned. Light Painter, which completely changes the way lighting is handled inside Blender. Instead of manually placing lights one by one and adjusting endless parameters, this add-on allows you to literally paint light directly onto your scene. The concept feels much more artistic and intuitive, almost like using Photoshop brushes, except you're shaping illumination instead of color. The system works directly inside the viewport using brush-based controls, gradients, selections, and layers. You can paint with different light types including spotlights, area lights, point lights, mesh lights, and even tube lights. After placing them, you still retain full control over intensity, color, distance, specular response, and other settings. One particularly interesting feature is the ability to paint shadows or define sky direction visually, which gives you a much more natural workflow compared to traditional lighting setups. It feels less like a gimmick and more like a complete lighting workflow system. There is also Gobos Master Add-on. With 198 plus high-quality Gobos spread across 13 categories including trees, fences, rain, windows, street elements, leaves, procedural, and more. You get animated looping and static Gobos with multi-layer Gobos stacking system. This means you can layer multiple Gobos and control them independently, giving your lighting insane depth and realism. And with the new 3.0 update, you can add your own custom Gobos, along with the ability to add blur per Gobo layer. Hurricane, created by the folks at BFX Studios, creators of the popular RBD Lab and these amazing Blender add-ons. Hurricane is a revolutionary tool for generating high-fidelity particle systems. Thanks to its unified architecture, it allows you to simulate fluids, cloth, soft bodies, and granular dynamics, sand, interacting with each other simultaneously in a single physical simulation. It's currently in beta. The engine works in an ultra-optimized way via CPU, making the most of multi-core processors. But once the final version is released soon, it will feature full GPU support for both physical simulation and mesh generation, whitewater particles, foam/splashes, etc. Additionally, subsequent updates will include advanced flip and MPM solvers. Moving to animation Motiongen. Say goodbye to expensive mocap suits and complex studio setups. Motiongen, by the creator of Simply Tear and Simply Shatter, brings professional-grade AI motion capture straight into your Blender viewport. Just drop in a video. No markers, no sensors, no internet connection or cloud usage, no subscriptions or payments for processing, no hassle. Fully local, but you do need any NVIDIA's RTX GPU for it to work locally. And watch it transform into fully rigged, production-ready character animations in seconds. Extract motion data from MP4 or AVI video files with advanced AI detection algorithms. Process videos without any length limit. The add-on comes with automatic jitter removal and smooths out rough motion, while smart keyframe reduction gives you clean, editable animation curves. You stay in full control with adjustable cutoff values and reduction percentages. You can even export your animations to Unreal Engine, Unity, or any major game development pipeline. Super easily. Speaking of animations, are your 3D character animations looking a little robotic? Slipping feet, floaty jumps, and hours lost staring at confusing graph editors? What if I told you real-world physics could do the heavy lifting for you? Keyframe animation is notoriously brutal for beginners. Cascadeur completely flips the script. Instead of fighting splines and keyframes, Cascadeur uses a physics-first approach to make your characters move like they actually have weight. Here's why it's a massive game changer. First up, auto-posing. Instead of moving every single joint manually, just drag a hand or a foot. Cascadeur's smart rig instantly calculates the natural balance and center of mass for the entire body. Your character shifts their weight automatically, just like a real person would. But here is where it gets crazy. Let's say you're animating a jump. Set your key poses, hit the auto physics button, and the engine instantly calculates the correct real-world momentum, gravity, and trajectory. No more weightless, floating characters. It literally snaps your animation into a physically accurate arc. You get AAA quality animation in minutes. No need to spend days manually animating in Blender. And the best part? If you want to change the direction or have your character jump, you can simply add another keyframe or update the existing ones, and you will instantly get new animation, which if you want to do in Blender, you will have to scrap most of your animation, and hours you spend finishing it will be wasted. Cascadeur, it slides perfectly into your workflow. Just export your polished FBX and drop it straight into Blender 5.1 for your final render. Stop fighting physics and let Cascadeur do it for you. I mentioned a few handful features, but there are tons of tools you can use to create animation, and you are not limited to human characters. You can also rig and animate quadrupeds. That means animals, creatures, and non-human characters are becoming easier to pose and animate with more natural results. It's basically a cheat code. If you want to test it out, to see if it's really something you want, you can start 14-day trial with coupon code in the description to also get 15% off if you also plan to get full version. So why is Cascadeur a big deal? Because it gives artists more control, more speed, and more confidence. You can animate faster. You can clean up motion easier. And you can use powerful tools without losing your creative control. For solo developers, indie creators, game animators, and 3D artists, this is exactly the kind of software that can save days of work and make animation feel less intimidating. Now back to add-ons. Creating beautiful, stylized clouds in Blender often requires a combination of time and complex technical skills. But not anymore, as Rai has made Stylized Cloud Generator for all of you. Designed mainly with NPR/stylized renders in mind, this tool lets you craft stunning skies effortlessly. It simplifies the process from idea to render, allowing you to bring a variety of artistic styles, such as anime, painterly, semi-realistic, to life faster than ever. Grabit is an add-on developed to help animators easily attach objects to other objects or characters and also drop these objects during or after an animation. Before Grabit, for a simple grab animation, you would have to use fidgety constraints or duplicate the object and animate its visibility. This tedious method has discouraged many artists from creating interactive animations. But now with Grabit, it's super easy. Housify. It is a geometry nodes-based tool that generates buildings based on your meshes, with the ability to edit them in real time. It currently features 30 unique building modules and angled roof types, giving you the tools to create detailed and atmospheric buildings. You can construct houses. Whether you're building luxury houses, cozy cottages, hunting lodges, old building, constructive buildings, or entire villages, Housify gives you the flexibility and creative freedom to bring your architectural visions to life. Add ivy and tree, flower and pots to your scene to create a natural and cozy feel. You can set up a random distribution, density, and height. This is a great tool for anyone who is looking to create beautiful houses fast and easily in Blender. Downtown Generator. Creating city environments in Blender used to take hours of repetitive work. With Downtown Generator, you can build fully procedural downtown scenes in seconds while keeping full artistic control. Extrude to create buildings, and use loop cuts to split your layout into streets. A fast and intuitive way to shape your city. Easily control how your city is arranged, from block spacing to overall layout structure. Adjust street width, sidewalks, and road shoulders to match your desired city scale and style. Add and control street props. Switch your city to night with built-in lighting and atmosphere for a cinematic look. Next, we have Fast Render, made available by Bad Normals. With Fast Render, you can render 4x faster, because standard rendering requires rendering every single frame. With Fast Render, Blender renders every second or fourth frame, and the missing frames are generated from the existing ones in less than a second per frame, saving time massively. Basically, it's like NVIDIA's Frame Gen, but for Blender. And there is more stuff you can do with it. Like, you can also use frame generation on already existing frames to increase the frame rate. Supports GPU and CPU, but AMD GPUs are not supported. Damage Control Bundle by EmbraceFX. It offers you 4 main set of tools that work from your asset library. Smudge Mask Generator. Gives you parametric and procedural control on your smudges and grunges. It's mainly built to linearize your building assets texturing workflows, but with clever usage, it can handle a lot of things. Scatter tools, a set of unusually convenient scattering options that help you finalize your assets. With powerful options, you can easily build your own presets to just copy and paste throughout the scene. Generative tools, helpful little things that really makes the final details come alive. More tools coming later on free updates. Infinite Fracture, generative tool, as well looping instances-based tool that makes it super fast to create fractured roads and bridges, or just huge flat areas. You control everything. Extra shaders, few extra shaders to grunge your assets for the last time. More tools coming later. Mega presets, combines smudge mask and scatter tools for easy pre-made materials and scatter debris. Need to build jaw-dropping 3D landscapes without the endless grid grind? Meet Terrain Mixer Pro, the ultimate terrain add-on for Blender. It is an entirely new terrain building platform that takes inspiration from the ideas that made Terrain Mixer unique while pushing them much further. It represents a new generation of terrain creation tools for Blender, built for artists who need more control, more speed, and more possibilities than ever before. Whether you're a game dev, concept artist, or map painter, this tool completely redefines your workflow. Blender Pixel Kit. It helps you quickly set up crisp, low-resolution renders, pixel-ready cameras, viewport pixel previews, outlines, and simple pixel art materials directly inside Blender. It is designed to be small, practical, and artist-friendly. No giant framework. No replacement render engine. Just useful setup tools for pixel art and low-res Blender workflows. Let's talk about BlendKit. It is one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. BlendKit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 143,000 Blender assets, a collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. If you use my link, you get 10% off on Pro Plan. BlendKit add-on allows you to download assets right from inside of Blender, and the add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. You can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators, or even sell your own assets within the community and earn money yourself. And after installing, all the add-on your end panel will become cluttered. And to manage that, we have an amazing add-on called End Panel Manager. It helps organize the end panel. This tool lets you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. After installation, you can start creating tabs right away, naming them based on your workflow, for example. Grouping modeling tools under one tab and rendering tools under another. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also exclude certain add-ons from being managed if you rarely use them but don't want to uninstall them. Additionally, the add-on includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone working on diverse projects or frequently switching between workflows, the End Panel Manager is a great way to customize and optimize Blender's interface. That's it for now. All these tools and add-ons are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let me know what caught your eye in the comments. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it around, and if you're new here, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss an update.